Okay, so hello guys. This will be a tutorial for this building right here. So I've seen people who are struggling on how to fix this part right here. So if you look at this part of the building, this should be drawn as one building only. Okay, one panel. So let's try to let's try to fix this one together. Okay, so first let's draw the base again. Use E or F when labeling the base. Like so. So after we have captured this part of the building, we are going to draw its ridge. So, and okay. So first panel. Okay, so if you see red, meaning it's not connected to our base below. So we need to redraw. So the base should be uh, orange. I think it's orange. So, and oh, sorry. Like so, and then lastly, this one. So for this right here, we need to draw a ridge. Okay, so again, adjust. So guys, again, your assist line is unlimited, so don't be afraid to use it. You can use it as much as you want. Okay, next is this one. Okay, so use your right as reference. Let's look for other views. Let's see if we drawn it properly. Let's try this one. Okay, so I think it's correct. Let's and then how to fix this one right here. So if you look at this, guys, it should be drawn as one building, correct? So all we need to do is to just drag this panel right here. So select this one, add a dot, and then let's try to pull this part right here. So as you can see, we have an extended panel. Okay, so let's check. Use your right as reference. Okay, so I think we captured it properly. And lastly, we just need to draw its base. So how to capture the base? So first, so I suggest guys, you put an assist line so that you will know where to stop. So like so, okay? So again, let's draw its base. From here, click from uh, copy the direction, and like so. And then lastly, all you need to do is to just drag, okay? And close. We need to close this part right here, and then uh, copy the what do you call this? The main wall of the building. So firstly, you need to group and then press J and then select the main building, press 6. So as you can see, it copied the wall of the main building. So all we need to do is to just remove these purple panels, group, and then use AutoFix F4. So hopefully it will merge all the panels right here. So your final result should look like this. All you need to do is just add missing corners. Okay, so we only need one corner for this task. Okay, so hope this helps. Thank you.